Hi, this is Joel. Welcome back again. And over here you can see, you guys can see that I have the small table. In a small table we have the three columns. I have the three columns which is name, department, salary. So in this table I would like to calculate the total employee of the marketing department. So for this I will use count if function. In count if function, it expects the range. So this is the range, and what the criteria, I will count the marketing department. So that's why I will use the criteria of marketing here. Then close the parenthesis. Then you can see the total employee we have, which is 2. Here you can see the Jan Smith, and here is also the Charlie Davis. This is the 2 employees I have in the marketing department. So another thing is that I have the another task, which is the total salary of the marketing department. So here you can see, here is the one value and here is the another value. So I would like to calculate based on the marketing department. So how I can do that? So I will use the sum if function for that. So here I will put the range again, and again the marketing criteria, then the sum of the range. So what range I would like to sum? So this the sum. Then you can see the total marketing departments employees I have. So here is a one value, here is the another value. The total value is 6. So try to cross check it. So here is the one value plus here is the another value. So here you can see the same value is same, the output is same. So it means that this function helps to get out that value dynamically based on the marketing department. So I can, is there any function available in Excel so that I can use it to get the same value? Yeah, we have, which is some products. So what it actually expect, actually expect array. So what is the array? The range actually called the array. So we if we put the array, so we need to use the parenthesis. So this is the first array. So sorry, it is not first array. So for the initiating an array, so I will use the another parenthesis here, then put the range, then equal, then what the department I would like to calculate. I would like to calculate the marketing department. Marketing, sorry, marketing. Then close the parenthesis. Then I will use the into, and I will use the another array. So that's why I will use the salary here. Then the salary, then close it, and then close it again. Then here you can see, then I get the same value by this also same some product function. So that's why I can calculate the total salary of the marketing department. So here I can put the another departments. It can be sale, HR, and any kind of department you can put. So that's why we can get out the dynamically accumulated value.